Imagine transforming your entire life by making just 1% improvement every day. Atomic Habits is not just a book, it is the blueprint for unlocking the power of small, consistent actions that lead to extraordinary success. In this video, we will uncover the magic behind mastering your habits and reveal how these tiny changes can create massive breakthroughs. Are you ready to take control of your future one small habit at a time? James Clear, the internationally acclaimed author of Atomic Habits, is a master of personal transformation. His work is rooted in the belief that small, consistent changes can lead to massive improvement in life. With clear and practical advice, James has become an obsession for those committed to breaking old habits and creating new empowering ones. His writing is not just about forming habits, it is about igniting a fire within that drives you towards your highest potential. This book summary will not only distill the key principles of atomic habits but will also inspire you to take immediate action. First principle: the power of tiny gains. An atomic sized shift can spark a massive transformation. James Clear emphasizes that real lasting change comes from small, consistent actions. Every decision you make shapes the person you become. If you are improving just 1% every day, those tiny habits compound and the result become monumental. This principle teaches us that small actions, when repeated over time, leads to significant success. It is a slow burn, but one that delivers permanent results. Principle second: habit loop. Cue, craving, response, reward. Every habit follows a loop. It starts with a cue that triggers a craving, which leads to response followed by a reward. Understanding this loop is crucial to breaking bad habits and forming new empowering ones. This insight from Atomic Habits gives you the blueprint to take control of your behavior. It is about rewiring your brain for success by creating an environment that supports your desired outcomes. Principle third: the law of least effort. Clear reveals a deep truth: humans gravitate towards easiest path. If you want to make good habits inevitable, you must reduce friction in the environment. Make it easy to do what is right. For example, if you want to read more, leave a book where you will see it often. This principle is a game changer because it encourages you to shape your surroundings to support your goals, making success not just possible but likely. Principle fourth: identify based habits. Instead of focusing on what you want to achieve, focus on what you want to become. If your goal is to run a marathon, don't just set the goal of running. Identify yourself as runner. This simple shift makes every decision a reflection of your identity, making habits feel natural. Atomic Habits is not just about routine, it is about changing how you see yourself. James Clear makes one thing incredibly clear: you are capable of greatness, and it is the small, seemingly insignificant steps that will get you there. This book is not just about habits, it is about self belief and commitment to become the best version of yourself. Imagine how much stronger you would be if you started seeing every tiny action as a step towards greatness. Atomic Habits teaches that obsession with self improvement is not madness, it is magic. Real life examples: Michael Phelps, the Olympic swimmer, is a living example of how powerful habits can be. His coach made him visualize his perfect swim every night, turning it into an obsession. This practice became second nature, helping him overcome stress and excel under pressure. Example second, the British cycling team. After 100 years of mediocrity, the team applied the concept of marginal gains, tiny 1% improvement across various aspects of their performance. These small changes led to a breakthrough, resulting in 5 Tour de France victories in 6 years. Now, practical application. Step first, focus on one habit at a time. Don't overwhelm yourself. Choose one small action, whether it is reading a few pages daily or walking for 10 minutes, and commit to it. Step second, track your habits. Use a habit tracker to measure your progress. This visual reminder will keep you motivated and help you stay on track. Step third, make failure harder than success. Design your environment so it is easier to succeed than to fail. Remove distractions, set reminders, and surround yourself with people who uplift you. Atomic Habits is more than just a book. It is an obsession, a movement towards self improvement. What are you willing to change today? This is not just a book summary. This is a challenge to elevate your life. Clear's words pulse with energy, and his insights resonate with a madness for success. He shows us that if you master your habits, you master your life. Every chapter is a lesson, every principle a roadmap for transformation. If you are serious about change, real lasting change, start with your habits. Master them, and they will carry you towards greatness. What small shift can you make today that will shape the future you desire? Take control of your habits and take control of your destiny. Start by identifying one habit that will get you closer to your goal. Create a plan to make that habit as easy as possible. Track your progress and stay consistent. Watch your life transform with small atomic changes. As you close the final chapter of Atomic Habits, remember greatness is not achieved overnight. It is the sum of small, powerful actions repeated consistently over time. Every habit you build is a vote for the person you wish to become. So take the lessons from this book and start today. No step is too small. The future you desire is just a habit away. Now go out there and make your small changes lead to extraordinary success.